Okay, in this tutorial I will show you how to create JavaFX project 18 for Java 18. Then we'll create the executable Java file with IntelliJ 2021.3.3. Okay, let's create a new project. Let me select project SDK, which is 18, and then JavaFX. Let me keep it as it is. Project SDK 18 as well. No dependencies. Finish. Okay, tips. Let me just turn it off. Okay, let me just download. JavaFX project comes with multiple files under Java with the package, 2 Java files, 1 fxml. Okay, it's indexing JDK 18, so wait for a while. Just let you know, making sure you are using 2021.3.3. Close it. Let's build the project. Run it. So we have hello world buttons, and then welcome to JavaFX application. Now let's open fxml in SimBuilder. So let me quickly demonstrate how to use a SimBuilder. So here I will say JavaFX. So this is the one code. Okay, this button doesn't have a FX ID. That's object name. And we have own actions, event handler, that's fine. Save it. You can return to IntelliJ. Then you can go to fxml. So we have a FX ID. Select it, create a field, so that you can check. This is a message once you click the button. So let me change to JavaFX 18. Let's build. And load it again. As you can see, I'm using JDK 18. Click. Now we have a new message called JavaFX 18 application. This is actually using Maven build, so let's remove. Go to refactor, save, delete, so that you don't have to do modular programming. So go to library. We are now using Maven, so let's remove it all. Java. Then let's go to program files, Java, where you install JavaFX 18. So JavaFX SDK 18 library. Okay. Okay. This is what we are going to use. Apply. Okay. So now when you build a JavaFX project, when you run it, it says that JavaFX runtime components are missing. So we need to do one more step. Go to edit configuration. Okay. You may need to create a new configuration file if you don't have one. I already have it, so let's go to modify options, add VM options. We can point it out JavaFX library here, module path. Okay, let me go back here. Program files. JavaFX SDK 18 and then library. Get these Java files. We are going to use it. Paste it. We are going to use 2 additional modules in that JavaFX library directory. JavaFX controls, then JavaFX fxml. Apply, OK. Let's try again. It should work. OK, JavaFX, hello world. OK, as it is, it works. This is how you can use JavaFX with the sim builder. Next, I will show you how to create executable Java file. So then you can just simply double click, then you can load your project. We are going to create one Java class called app. In this class, we are going to call main methods belongs to hello application class. Then this class will be used for creating Java file. So let's go to project structure, artifacts. Then we can go to Java from module with dependencies. Main class, I will select the app. And then this is the one you need to be careful, okay? Here supposed to be user can ideal project and demo and source directory. Okay, it should be source directory. So this is the one used to be by default. Now it's changed to send something else. So make sure you fix that problem. Okay, let's continue. File. We are going to add DLL files for JavaFX SDK library. So here program files, Java, JavaFX SDK 18 binary. You can select all DLL files. OK. All of them. Apply. OK. Okay, let's go to build and build artifacts. Build. Wait for a while. Okay, go to out. Demo jar. Open in Explorer. When you double click, it should work this time. That's all. Thank you.